Hey guys, today we're doing Lolinator plane spotting at the LAX part 3 with me, Lolinator, obviously. First up, we have the Qantas A380, also known as the Beast, and it's 239 feet long and has a wingspan of 262 feet. That's the size of 2 blue whales. I've been on Qantas a couple of times when I was in Australia. I loved it. Australia and Qantas. I flew an A380 Qantas Airlines, sadly on the bottom row, but they did give me the cool pajamas, and I love Qantas. Next, we have the Delta Connection Embraer E175. Fun fact, Delta Connection and Delta are two different companies. Anyway, I think that's pretty cool. If you do, too, put it in the comments, okay? Because, yeah. American Airlines A321 is in the house. Fun fact, American Airlines' headquarters is in Fort Worth, Texas. I wonder if you guys have been there, because I want to go. Alaska Airways in the house. I can't wait. Alaska Airways has had some quirky ads, like the talking tickets and the food testing. I wonder if you guys knew that, because I didn't. Frontier A321! Fun fact, Frontier Airlines has had trading cards for a long time with the animal on it called animal trading cards, obviously. American Airlines A321 coming in! The first flight attendant on American Airlines was Ellen Church. I wonder who that is. Wonder what she looked like. Asiana Airways A380 coming in hot at the LAX. Fun fact, Asiana Airways has had 4 plane crashes, believe it or not. 2 of them have had a couple fatalities. You guys know the one at San Francisco? 3 fatalities. In the back, sadly. R.I.P. Here comes a Swiss Airlines 777. Fun fact, Swiss International Airlines owns 11 777 planes. So this is one of the 11 Swiss Airlines planes out there. Isn't that crazy? Southwest Airlines 737 coming in! Whoop whoop! Fun fact, Southwest Airlines owns 803 737 planes. Isn't that interesting? Alaskan Airways coming in, and it's a 737. Are you guys excited? Fun fact, Alaskan Airlines had the 737s and their brand of planes since 2008. Isn't that interesting? What? American Eagle E175 in the house. Fun fact, American Eagle was called Envoy Air. What? That's why I said what in the beginning. We have a Virgin Atlantic 787 Dreamliner. Fun fact, Virgin Atlantic's headquarters is in Crawley, West Sussex, England. Cool, right? We have a Delta Airlines A319, the baby bus. Fun fact, Airbus A319 can go up to a speed of 525 miles per hour. 456 knots. We have a UPS cargo plane in the house. Fun fact, the 767 is very efficient, according to Wikipedia, which to me, Wikipedia is my brain. Another Delta A319 is coming in. Fun fact, the A319 is also called the baby bus Look how cute and beautiful it is. Mwah, mwah, mwah.
We have a French B airplane in the house.
It's an A350. Fun fact, French B is a long-bodied aircraft, and it's a low-priced airline. Thanks guys for watching. Make sure to comment, like, subscribe, share, follow, and watch the rest of my videos.